Hello friends, it's 2018 and Donald Trump has just kicked off one of the most highest trade war the world has ever seen. China and United States went back and forth causing chaos, but were on US behind the scenes. An unlike country was taking advantage of the chaos and using it to get insanely rich. Vietnam. By 2024, Vietnam was the third fastest growing economy in the world, outpacing the likes of China, the US and Singapore. And in just a decade, its income per person has nearly doubled. This might seem strange for a country associated with the communism. So this is actually being caused by a strange phenomenon. Well, Donald Trump was everything he could to bring manufacturing back to America. Opportunity the merge. Since start of a trade war, Vietnam exports to US exploded, increasing by nearly 500% in just 10 years. This makes it was one of fastest growing manufacturing hubs on a planet. And export to America now wake up to a quarter of the Vietnamese economy. It makes people rich, more educated, and life for the average Vietnamese better. But there is flip side, which means economy is hostage to America, and we are already seeing how goals 10 years of progress could be wiped out. A tweet. So how did this country come to find itself in such a high stakes position? And well, it continued its metrics rise or face an economic downfall. The streets a Vietnam city is today hood to see to similar to one in China. It's clean, modern and buzzing with life. And well, Vietnam's is explosive growth is a recent phenomenon. In the reality is that's decades the country has been positioning itself to be a next great manufacturing hub. Of March of 20th century, the nation was defended by conflict. When the Vietnam War ended in 1975, the country was in ruins, its economy shattered and infrastructure destroyed. And after the war, they communicate Party of Vietnam to full control of the country, merging North and South Vietnam and adopting Soviet style planet economy. So this is today's video. If you like this video, hit on the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel. This like interesting content. So I see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching and peace.